Hey folks, welcome to Velo Wrench Bike Shop. I'm Vinny the Wrench, and we're going to start a new segment here called Vinny's Gadget Corner. I'm going to show you through a couple of the gadgets that we've got coming in right now. These are our little multi-tools that have come in now. Surface has come out with one that actually adds this little gold piece that you see in the middle here, which is actually your CO2 inflator. So you don't have to carry a separate tool anymore to inflate your tire. You just screw in your CO2 cartridge before it ignites. Press it down onto your Presto or Schrader valve, crank it open, you get your air, you're on the road. Go over a couple of the different tools. This is the minimalist version, so it's just got a few of the basic tools in it. Then you go to the one I'm going to go over with you, which is the STI 17. And then you also have another tool over here. This is a little bit more what you would see on a mountain bike type setup. It comes with a little patch kit and your tire levers on it. Any of these are good for just about anything you want to do, but I'm going to go over the top of the line one with you here. First of all, you have this bar here, which is a couple of different spoke wrenches, and in this end here you've even got the Mavic spoke wrench, so you can work on just about any of the spokes that you need to tighten up or fix out there on the road. You have your CO2. This is the lock-on, and this is where you thread it in. When you take this little arm and you unravel it all the way out, you have yourself a nice little chain tool here, so you can actually repin a chain or something out there on the road. It's a kind of a really cool gadget to have with you when you're out there doing the rides. Then you have your standard little set of tools that you'll need out on the road, from star nuts to this would be for your crank arms, flathead screwdriver. Really cool thing they have here is these little chain retainers. So if for some reason you did, break down out there on the road, you can actually hook this on your chain and hold your chain in place while you're fixing it, trying to get everything back to running. There's actually two of them on this kit. There's one right there, so you can actually hold the whole thing together that way as well. It has a Phillips head. That's the next size of star nut. So if you have a Campanolo bike, you have the star nut to work on the brakes and the one to work on the shifter heads. Your standard 5mm, 4mm, and they give you actually the cool little 2mm, which you need on a couple of these newer SRAM setups. You'll need this one to adjust the derailleurs if you happen to get your derailleurs out of alignment. Anyway, these are one of the coolest new gadgets out there. They're not all that expensive. They're about $43.99 for the one that I've just gone over with you today. They're available here at Velo Wrench Bike Shop or velowrench.com.